What's up, guys? We're going to take a look at creating a job for a customer based on the customer's status. And the reason we're going to want to do this is because our customer pipeline is different than our job pipeline. Our customer pipeline's goal is to create a job and put into a customer list. We don't win or lose customers, we win or lose jobs. But we don't need a job created for every customer that comes into JobTread because our customer pipeline acts as the wide net to capture every lead from every source. So what we do want to do is we want to automate creating a job for that customer when it gets to a certain stage in the pipeline. So here's what our goals are, and here's what the Zap looks like. We're going to start with this new lead called Scott Sampleton. It just came in from some source. Maybe they filled out the web form online. It comes into this new lead. And now we've scheduled a consultation with them, which means we're going to be creating a job for them once we go out there and we meet with them. But we want to automate this. So what we want to be able to do is move this from new lead to consultation booked. And for that step to create a job for us. And here's how we're going to do that. We're going to go into Zapier and we're going to create a Zap that's triggered with the app event customer updated. And when this customer is updated, we're going to do some parsing. We're going to determine what stage we want to trigger and filter, and then we're going to create the job in JobTread. So these parsing steps will do things that make it a little bit easier to use the information in the action step later on. So we'll split the name. The account primary contact comes in as one single name. We parse it out into 2 words, first and last name. We've got a parsing for default value of last name, and that is in case sometimes there's not a last name that came in with the lead, and we don't want that information to be empty if we need to use it in other steps. Then we split the address. We've got the main address that comes in, and we need to parse this up. It separates the address from the state and the zip code. And then we split the state and zip code separately as well. And we parse out the email. Then we create a filter for job stage. So every time that a job or a customer status is updated, this trigger starts. And then once it gets down to customer stage, it'll stop unless that new lead status, funnel status, exactly matches consultation booked, which is exactly how we have it written here, consultation booked. And when that happens, then it's going to create a new job in JobTread. We'll go to account primary location ID. This is getting the address from the customer. And then it fills out some additional information. We predetermine the stage of that job to be new, send an offer, project manager, things like that. And so let's watch it work. Right now we've got this customer, Scott Sampleton, and he's got nothing in the new offer column. We move, and now we've scheduled a consultation. And now when we go into customer and we go to jobs, and we give it a second, there we go. So now we have this new job created in a new send job offer column that will show up in our jobs pipeline. That's it. Thanks.